Today, we're looking at this really nice earwax remover tool with built-in camera and LED. For around $20, this is such a nice gift for practically anyone, including yourself. I didn't know I needed it until I started using it. Now I feel like I can hear in 4K. My ears are super clean. When you open the box, this is what you get. You got the manual, the machine itself, USB-C charging cable. The cable is very short, about 11 inches. The brush to clean the tip, and 7 of these tools. I have no idea how to use them. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below. No idea how to even use this funky spiral one. There are soft silicone tips just in case you want to share it with other users in the house. Also, the silicone tip is much softer than bare metal because, as I found out, the inner ear is very sensitive. I highly recommend disinfecting it with alcohol before each use, even if you're the only user. There's just one button to turn on. The USB-C port to recharge it is on the bottom. On a full charge, it lets me use it for about 30 minutes, which is more than enough per session. Each session takes about 5 minutes. Press and hold to turn on. It's blinking blue, ready for your phone or tablet to be connected. The camera and LED lights is crazy small. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend it to others like yourself. Connect to the Wi-Fi access points using your phone or tablet. I'm using an 8 inches tablet so I can see things easier. To power it off, just press and hold the blue button, and now it's off. Here's a number 2 pencil for size comparison. I would say it's just a little bit wider. To use the ear camera, go ahead and download this app. It's called AirLook. On the ear camera itself, press and hold the blue button until the blue light is blinking. Once you install it, click on it to open. On your phone or tablet, turn on the Wi-Fi. You should see the Wi-Fi access points named Just Home. Click on it. There is no Wi-Fi password. And then click on Done. Once the app is connected to the access points, you'll see all of the information. The ear cam right now is at 0% power, so I better start charging it up. It's pretty nice that you use the units while it is charging. So it's not like you have to turn it off and then wait for it to charge up 100%. Let me plug it into a USB power bank so I can charge it up while we're talking. Once you plug it into a power source, the remaining battery status changes to charging. Click on Start. Right now, we're on my keyboard looking at the number 3. Now let's take a look at a dime. So yeah, you can certainly use it for other purposes, not just for removing earwax. Everything is magnified and pretty clear. It's too bad that there's no way you can adjust the LED brightness because, as you can see, sometimes it is too bright, depending on the angle. Here's a penny with Abraham Lincoln. I'll definitely use this to solder some of my electronics connection just because the zoom level is actually pretty good. Just for fun, we're going to look at my son's ear. It is clean because I cleaned up already, and there's not a lot of hair compared to mine anyway, or so I thought. But we're seeing a lot just because the view is magnified and so clear from this ear camera. It's absolutely insane because this ear is not like this with the naked eye. When you're using it, it's possible that you might not know the orientation, but you'll get the hang of it later on of what is left, right, or up and down. There's no need to go deeper. I was able to go even deeper for my ear to see the eardrum. Of course, you can use it for other body parts like mouth. He recently had the mouth-foot infection. I used this camera to check out the back of his throat, and it was a nightmare. There were so many sores and blisters all over the place in the back of his throat. Poor guy didn't even want to eat or swallow his own saliva. Right now he's cured, so there's nothing here to see. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.